really good example of what we'll be able to use the CNC machine for. So what we have here is a customer has sent some patterns in. Their trim is for a T-type and theirs is slightly different to what ours is originally. We've been doing it for 30 years, but obviously all classic cars are slightly different. A lot of them are hand built, especially from that era. So what we've done is we've taken their patterns, we've turned it into a new board that differs from the original, so it's slightly larger, and this will fit the customer's car exactly. And actually the team have digitized this in, cut it and put it through the factory quicker than the sales team have actually managed to put the order on and into the system.